Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix camera turning on or off event viewer. Windows camera frame service terminated unexpectedly. So guys, to resolve this issue, just follow some easy steps. Click on start, open file explorer. Now click on local disk. Now in here click on program files. So guys, in here you need to find out Realtek folder, this one. So right click on it and rename this folder. So you can type any name like Realtek old or Realtek new. So give any name. Now close anyway. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve camera turning on or off problem in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.